Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you're all having a wonderful time. It's Raphael back at the charts again. And in today's video, I want to talk about the trade that I took today, the trade that I shared with the inner circle of our team. I didn't share that one in a free Telegram channel, I'm sorry, but we are going to talk about the trade, why I took this trade. This one was a little bit different from the trades that I trade normally on a regular basis, because I took that trade overnight and I wanted to hold it until New York session. And yeah, why I took this trade. So now we see the bigger picture. Well, as you can see on the daily time frame, the market is pushing down like crazy, right? So we are overall in a downtrend, but in every downtrend, most of the time they're going to pull out some stops, right? So that means they push the price up to create buying liquidity so they can continue to go down and get their bigger positions into the market. This is what the big banks are doing. They create liquidity, right? And so what happened, guys, we had this super obvious I mean, you could just run through the video and don't need to crouch under the table. Anyways, so as you can see, guys, we have this super obvious double top in here, right? So I expected the market to get above, to create buying liquidity, to stop out some sellers, create buying pressure so they can bring their sell positions back into the market. And as you can see, it worked out pretty well. And I told the team tonight, let me go to the 1 minute chart. Let's check the 15-minute chart first. So I told the team that I'm looking for sell opportunities in here, right? Well, we had this trading session where we bought on Monday. Then on Tuesday the market was pushing up like crazy, and I didn't really saw a nice entry opportunity. The market was not moving so nice, so I didn't took a trade yesterday. But overall, my target was this equal highs, right? These equal highs in here. This was my main target on the buy side. I couldn't ride it out. I mean, the market was slashing back too many times, but I took some profits, as you know. But after I saw that we took out the double top and we got above Tuesday's high just when the session started, and then the market broke the structure on the smaller time frames. Let me show you. The market broke the structure on the smaller time frames and it was going down. So I decided, I saw this one over here and the market was clearly breaking the structure, starting to go down. This was the one when I just sold. I was like, okay, it will probably be the highest point of that day, so why not getting in around midnight if it's the highest point of the day. And I gave it a little bit air to breathe, just if it wants to go higher a little bit. But overall, I mean, we took out all the business to the buy side, so it was so obvious that they have to attack the sell side after that, right? And that's why I was waiting for the market to go down. And when I woke up this morning, I saw like a beautiful profit of, I think it was somewhere in here. I think the market dropped down somewhere in here, and I took my first profit off the table somewhere in here. I think, I'm not 100% sure, but it was like around a 1.5 to 1 risk reward ratio. And then I was just waiting it out. I took my risk off the table and just waited it out. And then later on, during the New York session, we finally slashed through this significant low and this significant low as well. And this was when I nearly collapsed my whole position. As you can see, it was much more on the table that I didn't benefit from. But I mean, you never know how far they will push the price. I mean, of course, it was a trade in the trend direction, but I'm not the most patient trader. I like to take profits because I know I'm much better and much happier as a trader when I pay myself on the way. You know, I need to take partial profits. I need to take risk off the table because I don't like to have a lot of risk in the market for a longer time. You never know when you get the big run. Market is slashing up and down so many times before it really drops big time, and that's why I bank profits on a regular basis, and that's why I cannot capitalize on the whole move sometimes, which is alright. With this day trading strategy that I'm using, with this accuracy that I have, and with this average risk reward ratio that I have, I'm more than happy to bank profits, believe me. I mean, all you need, guys, is a 50% hit rate and a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio, and you're gonna print money like crazy. You cannot believe, like, it's easy math. And I mean, a 50% accuracy system is what I have for you inside the Genius Trading Masterclass course. I don't know if you have a 50% strategy, but I have a minimum 50% strategy. If you master that thing, I think it's around 65, maybe 70% hit rate. Depends on what kind of market you trade in, but you're gonna get easy 2-to-1, maybe 3-to-1 average risk reward out of the market, which is crazy. If you really master that one, you're gonna print money like crazy, or you will be a money printing machine. Guys, I'm telling you, you have to study chapter 11 inside the Genius Trading Masterclass course. This is where you learn how the big banks move the market, how they manipulate the markets, and how you can spot these manipulations and move with them. That's so important, guys. If you master that, this is one of the most, the chapter 11, this is one of the most important parts inside of the course, and you really need to master it. If you don't understand it, you have to go over it a couple of times, take notes, and make it sink in, and really get that skill set down, guys. Maybe we're gonna get some more opportunities this week, but for now I'm more than happy. We had a beautiful trade on Monday, banked around 3.5, something like that, 3%. Today on a Wednesday, around 4%. Guys, that's it for the week. I mean, 2 days, the rest is like, I mean, now the rest is easy. I can enjoy my day, you know, I can enjoy my my rest of the week. Take my doggies out for a walk, enjoy good time with my girlfriend. Maybe ride around with the cars, maybe go play some basketball or something like that, man. I really don't care. Like, I can do whatever I want. 2 trading days, 7% is crazy, dude. I mean, 2 trading days, 7%. If you average that on every week, you make around 30% gain per month, guys. You don't need to have a lot of trades, and you don't need to have a lot of markets that you trade. You can really focus on just one market at a time, trade one setup, and take maybe just 2-3 trades per week, and that's it, guys. You don't need to over trade, for real. Like, we're not making money when we trade, guys. We making money when we wait for the market to show us our entry setup, our opportunity, and then we get in. Like, we get rewarded if we wait, and if we are consistent and disciplined to wait for the move and then get in after that. Right? Patience get paid. If you overtrade, guys, the market will slap you in the face and you're gonna burn all your profits. That's how it is. So that's it for today, guys. Yeah, join the Genius Trading Masterclass. This is the best thing you can do if you have no idea about trading, or if you struggle with your trading career, and if you need advice. Just get the course, join our community. You can talk to all the students inside the group chats, learn from their experience as well, and of course get the working strategies, guys. That's it. Have a good one, and see you in the next one. Peace.
Money